welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for tuning in. As a quick reminder, all of the products that I'm using are listed down below in the description. So today I wanted to share with you a quick nail tutorial. I usually get my nails done by a professional when I want to be pampered, but most of the time I go with the at-home manicure experience. I am using the Gellen gel nail polish from the popular Nudes series, and I actually chose a different color than you've seen in the previous clips, but I'll show that color later on. And I'm using the Arte Clavo no wipe gel base coat and top coat. The shine is amazing, it's super long lasting, and all of these gel polishes have 9 toxin-free ingredients with a low odor. And lastly, I'm using the SUNUV LED light nail dryer, and it comes with 2 sensor timers, 30 seconds and 60 seconds. As you see here, my nails have been prepped and they are ready for polish. I actually have a cap full of nail polish remover. Just in case I make a mistake, I can remove it before I put my nails under the dryer. So if you happen to get polish on your skin and you put your hands underneath the dryer, it's going to be difficult to take off, so remember to clean up around your nails to avoid this. I'm applying 1 layer of the base coat, and then I'll apply 3 coats to each nail with color 72. I received this in a kit from Amazon, so they don't have specific names, but all of the products are listed below, so you can check those out. I'm going to pause the voiceover here, and I will play a little bit of music so you can see me paint the rest of my nails, and I will be right back. And of course, I had to take a few slow-mo shots of my finished nails with the flowers that I received for my birthday this past weekend. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks again for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.